welcome the next demonstration given by Feng using Wang Hong. Their project code is MR01b-21, and title is Sensor System Using Wireless Energy Harvesting. The demo group, please start your presentation now, and remember to turn on your microphone and camera. Share the PowerPoint if you have one. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We are the group doing the RF energy harvesting group. So our project is aimed to create a IoT sensor system without any battery. So this system can replace all the battery that need the replacement, also provide a very good power source for the IoT power system. And our project will demonstrate a IoT system that powered by our antenna rectifier, and then pass through Bluetooth, send out the sensors data to another Bluetooth and LoRa station, and then the station will send the data to another LoRa gateway. And here will be our demonstration of our device. Okay, so from our screen, you will see this is our lab design, and on your left, that will be some our lab equipment that to provide the RF signal to the antenna that is stand up right like a box in there. Also, our IoT board is right next to the antenna, and then you can see there is a multimeter that is by observing the energy that we have stored in our system. So if the energy is stored in a voltmeter, you will see if it's more than 3.3 something, you will see the voltage will suddenly drop, which means our sensor already turned on once. And the data will be sent out to our another device and recorded by our system. And you can see this from the screen. And the last 5 data, this is a hexadecimal data, and this is recorded as a humidity and the temperature in the hexadecimal form. And after we receive this data, and the data will transfer it to another LoRa system. And this is our gateway configuration. Then you can see that the data is successfully transferred through the Bluetooth in this board from the inside and outside. And this board will pass through the LoRa to here. And then we will record it in the gateway, like in our screen. So this is our whole demonstration. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. Now it's time for Q&A section. Anyone who have questions can directly ask the demo group.
So about the frequency of RF, it is collecting from 900 megahertz in our experience, but from our antenna, it can collect 100 megahertz and 1.8 gigahertz and 2.1 gigahertz. This is 3 frequency that we are collecting. So about the power level, in the normal environment, it will like have around 10 megawatt. About the power. And what is the yellow?
When you collect 10 megawatts, so what kind of electronics that you need? So how much do those electronics need, the power?
The power for the MCU and the sensor is very low. For example, for the MCU that we are using, it just need 12 microwatt, and the sensor will have a 50 millisecond active time with 10 milliwatt. So in terms of that, we just need to maybe have a PowerPoint here.
So overall, how much power that you can harvest? The remaining power, minus those the sensor power and those electronics power.
So you mean we'll use
the net power that you can harvest?
We didn't have that many. We don't have that like the complete calculation now, but the whole data will like can hold those active time, and we then have free work with the 47 millifarad capacitor in the capacitor.
Okay, thank you.
If there is no further questions, we will invite the next group. Then